my crazy, insane back pain. Down both sides of my back, but really down my left leg and my hip. Terrible when I sneeze on both sides and tingly down both legs.
One of the biggest symptoms of a disc bulge is sneezing causes the pain.
Yep.
And then the doctor recommended what procedure?
Injections.
Injection. What's the one reason that you decided to do this? What was the one thing that pushed you over the edge?
Literally being in so much pain that I'm immobile and just crying in tears.
That's sad. So let's change that. Sound good?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Love it.